Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya dari kelas IPS 4 akan menunjukkan tata cara membuat kue abon dengan bahan-bahan sebagai berikut. Pertama ada kelapa yang sudah diparut, tepung beras, garam, gula merah, sama tepung tapioka. Pertama-tama kita campur tepung beras sekitar 6 sendok makan ya.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes are blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
Setelah matang, kemudian kita angkat.
3 menit kemudian. Mau nanti jadi dulu.
Setelah itu coba kita buka ya. Setelah dia matang, coba dibuka. Ini hasilnya. Terima kasih sudah menonton tutorial cara membuat kue abon. Jadinya seperti ini ya. Cantik kan? Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.